Hello everyone! Today we are going to install CasaOS in Windows. CasaOS is an open source operating system that transforms your home server into a personal cloud, allowing you to manage apps, media, and smart home devices from a single, intuitive interface. First, we need to enable Windows subsystem for Linux. Open Windows features. Search for the Windows subsystem for Linux option. Wait for it. Now restart your PC to make changes. After restarting, we need to install Ubuntu, so open Microsoft Store and search for Ubuntu and click on Install. Wait for some time. Open Ubuntu. Wait for some time, it will install Ubuntu in your system. Setup now. Let's install CasaOS. Open Ubuntu and type these commands. Sudo apt-get update and press enter. Now copy the CasaOS installation command. Paste and press enter. Wait for a few minutes. We successfully installed CasaOS. Now, copy that URL, open it in any browser connected to the same network as the system. Create an account. This is the process for installing CasaOS on Windows. If you want to open it again after restarting or shutdown, you must open the Ubuntu in background for network connection. When Ubuntu is not opened, we didn't load any data. Let's open. and then refresh the page. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful or enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, let me know.